What is the lifespan of your air fryer? Well, I've had this air fryer for, which is it's a Breville air fryer. I did a review and I've had it for almost 2 years now. I thought it'd be nice to come up here and give you what we call an honest review. I am considering getting a new air fryer. I'm not sure if this is the right time, but we'll see. Now I'm going to open my air fryer and I beg you, please do not judge me. I'm just being real. I'm giving you 100% review. So here we go. Close your eyes if you think you're going to be the judge. I'll show you now. Now, this is my air fryer. I haven't washed it, intentionally did not wash it. This is how it's looking. It really looks terrible. You can tell how horrible it looks like. And I am going to wash this and see. It doesn't make much difference. I know that anyway. It's only been 2 years and it really doesn't look nice. I do use my air fryer almost every day anyway because I eat steak every day. I love my meats. My diet is mostly animal based, so I do use it. So it's been well used. I bought this because I was hoping that it was free from chemicals, because apparently some air fryers do have chemicals in it. So that's the reason I bought this one. But from the way I'm looking at it, I think I do need a new air fryer. The question is, what type of air fryer should I buy? Which one should I buy? What's the best model? If you do have any ideas, please share this with me. So I'm going to wash it now and I'll be back with you. See you in a bit. Okay now, right, we're back. I've given it a good clean out. So I'm going to open it for you again and you be the judge. Okay, and what I was trying to say initially was I bought this because I thought it was or has been Teflon free, because that's the type of air fryers I generally like. Now I've given this a very good clean. You can see the afters. I haven't put anything in, but I'll do that in a minute. And this is how it looks like now. It hasn't made much of a difference apart from the fact that the oils have been removed. But look at that. Why do air fryers after a few years or months look like this? Even ovens look like this. I don't get it. It's still doing what it needs to do. It still cooks the food very well, actually. And I do use my air fryer daily, literally. So I guess the lifespan of your air fryer would depend on how often you use it. I use mine quite regularly. But look at that. No change. Not much change anyway. So I am really looking forward to buying a new one. I'm just going to put in everything else that I need to. Let's do that now. There you go. So I've washed these. Can you see there's not much difference with these ones too. Everything back in. Look at this. This was nice and shiny when I bought it. It was meant to be stainless steel. It certainly doesn't look like stainless steel now because it's all stained. Well, stainless steel? Not really. But there you go. That is where I am at. And this is our air fryer after it's been cleaned. See? No difference. So I guess I need a new one now. I will put a link of the videos I had done when I originally bought it and a review. I'll put that all in the link. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day. Bye.